don't think you
I
are.
thought it was open. Okay, cool.
Okay.
Teres major. And then tricep brachii lateral head is this middle one. And then brachialis is here, and it connects to the radialis longus. And acromiotrapezius is this big one. Acromiodeltoid is the top one. Then spinodeltoid. And then sternomastoid is here, and then sternohyoid is in the middle.
Okay, in group 5, so gluteus medius is a bigger one, and then underneath is gluteus maximus. Sartorius, this is all Sartorius, it's been ripped in half. Vastus lateralis is right underneath Sartorius, and then is Vastus intermedius, Rectus femoris, Vastus medialis, and Gracilis right here. And that's it.